Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. There are 4 states of matter: solid, liquid, gas and plasma. These states are observable in our everyday life. Solids, like chair tables and even you; liquid like drinking water; gas, the air around us is made up of many gases such as nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Plasma, the sun is a giant ball of plasma. Many other states are known, such as Bose-Einstein condensates and neutron-degenerate matter, but only occur in extreme scenarios like very cold or very dense matter. If you take a solid, for example ice, and warm it to point, it turns into liquid, and heat it more until it turns into water vapor, and heat it more to about 1000 degrees Celsius. Water vapors begin to turn into plasma. This is called ionization. What happens in ionization is that the electrons are stripped from their orbits or energy levels due to the high energy provided by the heat and are moving freely, so most of the atoms of ionized gas only have a nucleus. This ionized gas is a mixture of ions of electrons and protons and neutrons moving very fast aimlessly, and you get plasma. 99.9% of the universe is made up of plasma, and only 0.1% of the whole universe is made up of the other 3 states, which in our Earth is very common, while plasma in our blood is completely a different thing.